welcome to Recipes Tested. I'm Brianna Robinson. Today I'm going to be making a chuck roast recipe. And I am so, I always say I'm so excited, but I love food. So I get excited about food. I think about it all the time. But this one I'm particularly excited about because it has my favorite ingredient probably ever in it, and it's Dijon mustard. And I found this on Pinterest. The link will be down in the bottom below. So if you guys want to see how this recipe turns out, just keep watching and I'll get testing.
For my mustard mixture, I got my Dijon mustard, dried rosemary, dried thyme, garlic, salt, and pepper, and then mix that until it was all combined. Got my roast and spread half the sauce on one side as best I could, and I also tried to get the edges as well as I could too. And then I put that seasoned side down in my crock pot, which I had carrots and red potatoes in there, and then put the rest of the sauce on top. And for beef broth, I use Better Than Bouillon and mix that with some water. And then I poured that over my roast and my veggies. And then I put onions on top and covered it on low for 6 to 8 hours until it was browned and cooked.
All right, so it's been about 6 hours since I put this in the crock pot, so I'm gonna go ahead and give it a taste and let you know if it's love at first bite. It is steaming hot. That's so weird. Okay, so right away I get an immediate beefy roast flavor, and then all the flavors from the seasonings are kind of an afterthought, which is a little bit disappointing for me, only because I really wanted that mustardy taste to kind of shine through. I think next time though, I would probably sear the meat before I put it in, but still good. I would recommend it if you're new to making things in the crock pot or anything like that. I'm gonna go ahead and try some of the veggies too and see how they turn out. Ooh, the carrots are my fave. The veggies don't have a ton of flavor either. It just kind of is more of a standard beef roast flavor. I would probably rate this probably a 6 out of 10, only because I feel like a lot of the texture is missing from the roast because it wasn't seared, and the flavors are just kind of muted. So I don't know, but we're gonna go ahead and eat dinner here. So thank you guys so much for watching. I really appreciate it, and give me a thumbs up if you enjoyed, and let me know what else you guys want tested, and don't forget to subscribe. I'll catch you in my next video. Bye.